Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for jobs on Glassdoor. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to glassdoor.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your account. After logging in, look at the top of the page and click on Jobs. This will take you to Glassdoor's job search section where you can explore all available opportunities. Now, click on the search bar at the top of the page and enter the job title you're looking for. Right beside this search bar, you'll see another field where you can enter your city, state, or zip code. This helps narrow down your search to jobs in your preferred location, making it easier to find relevant opportunities near you. Next, you'll want to refine your search even further. Click the drop-down menu for company rating to select your preferred rating. This allows you to filter jobs based on employee reviews and company reputation. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu for date posted. This feature helps you see the most recent job postings so you're applying to active listings. Then click the drop-down menu for salary range right beside it. Here you can adjust the salary by entering a number that matches your expectations, then click Apply. These filters ensure you're only seeing jobs that meet your specific criteria. On the left side of the screen, you'll now see all the available jobs that match your search. Browse through the listings and click on the job you want to apply for to see more details about the position, company, and requirements. Once you've reviewed the job description and feel it's a good fit, click Apply or Easy Apply depending on what option the job listing offers. The Easy Apply feature streamlines the process by using your saved profile information. After clicking, wait for a few seconds while the application page loads. Once it's ready, click Upload Resume. This will open a new window where you can click Select File. Browse through your files, locate your resume, click on it, and then click Open. This uploads your resume directly to the application, which employers will review along with your other information. Now, click Continue and wait for a few seconds while the page loads. You'll then be prompted to answer all the required information. This might include questions about your work experience, availability, or specific qualifications the employer is looking for. Fill out everything carefully and accurately. Once you've completed all the required fields, click Continue again and wait for a few seconds while the next page loads. You'll now have the opportunity to review your application. Take a moment to double-check that all your information is correct and that your resume uploaded properly. Once you're satisfied with everything, scroll down and click Submit your application. And that's it, you've successfully applied for a job on Glassdoor. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.